Spectacular estate in Wilson County West / Hilltop Views from every window. 25 rolling acres west / beautiful barn. Property can be subdivided lot B 6.72 acres, lot C 12.59 acres. Each has perk site. Hardwoods throughout. Den west / built-in bookcases. Master suite on main level. Custom kitchen west / lots of cabinet and counter space west / island. Formal living and dining rooms. Eat-in kitchen. Extra large rec room, transoms above doorways, full finished basement. This home has too much to list. You will not believe the space.